Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. This is actually my first video with the new mic, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Anyways, we went to McNeil Junction to catch a train that had a very interesting lash-up. While we were there, the Austin Metro Rail Operation Lifesaver car that I've been wanting to catch for a while now caught us off guard and passed. I was able to get some pictures of it though. Anyways, then that train with the interesting lash-up came. I'll let it speak for itself. While that train was passing, an interesting Austin Metro Rail train passed over, with a cool energy drink wrap on it. Also, while we were there was a ton of stuff happening. There was some Union Pacific workers, and some people painting landscapes around the area. This is a photo I took of a bunch of maintenance away equipment sitting on a siding just outside of the junction, presumably waiting for the train that we just caught to pass before they would do any more track work. We didn't have time to stick around for that, however, because we had to get home. So, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.